Seoul 1988 Retinal Review. Is it worth it? K-beauty fans always love an accessible yet effective retinoid product, and Seoul 1988's retinol liposome lineup has some serious buzz. Today we're breaking down whether these formulas are worth your time or just overhyped. The Seoul 1988 serum features a 2% retinol liposome combined with 58% black ginseng extract. It aims to tackle wrinkles, pigmentation, texture, and pores with a gentle liposomal delivery system. They also offer an eye cream with 4% retinol liposome, fermented bean extracts, peptides, and brightening actives for targeted under eye care. On review platforms like Huawei, the serum scores a 4.2 out of 5, and users highlight smoother skin, improved tone, and acne mark fade. Though a few noted mild initial irritation, European stores report glowing feedback. Users say it absorbed well, smooth skin, reduced pigmentation, and even worked well on sensitive or old skin types, many calling it their sweet spot. Likewise, the 4% eye cream earns strong praise for brightening and smoothing under eyes, with many users noting no irritation. Community members break down the ingredient confusion. While the label says 2% retinol liposome, it's actually only 0.02% pure retinol, making it beginner friendly. Skincare forums also report fewer side effects than traditional retinoids, with users noting visible glow and smoother texture, even on sensitive acne prone skin. Some did caution about prolonged purging during adjustment, common with retinoids, and reminding users to introduce slowly and always use SPF. And now for the pros. It's general and accessible retinol option, great for beginners. Claimed improvements in texture, tone, pigmentation, and pore appearance. Good for sensitive skin types, often low irritation, available in both fixed serum and eye-targeted formula. However, ingredient percentages can be misleading. Actual retinol content is much lower than the packaging implies. Some users experience a lengthened purging phase or initial dryness, requires gradual buildup. Limited long-term independent clinical studies backing all claims. So is Seoul 1988 retinol worth it? Yes, especially if you're starting your retinol journey and want something gentle yet effective. For sensitive skin, glowing texture, or mild anti-aging benefits, it's a solid, wallet-friendly option. However, for stronger or faster results, you may need high concentration retinoids down the line. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.